Quail eggs offer an impressive combination of high nutrient density and low caloric load, making them an excellent food choice for people aiming to manage their weight without compromising nourishment. Despite their richness in vitamins, minerals, and high-quality protein, each quail egg contains only about 14 calories, far fewer than most traditional breakfast options. This allows them to deliver essential nutrients and sustained energy without contributing to excess caloric intake. For anyone seeking to lose weight or maintain a lean physique, quail eggs represent the ideal balance between satiety and restraint, a food that satisfies hunger deeply while supporting the body's metabolic needs efficiently. Protein is the cornerstone of effective weight management, and quail eggs excel in this regard. Their protein content, rich in essential amino acids, promotes muscle maintenance and repair, critical for anyone aiming to lose fat while preserving lean body mass. Protein also has the highest thermogenic effect among macronutrients, meaning the body burns more calories digesting it than it does for fats or carbohydrates. This subtle metabolic boost helps prevent the slowdown that often accompanies calorie-restricted diets. Moreover, the satiety effect of quail egg protein helps reduce cravings and the temptation to snack between meals. Unlike sugary or starchy breakfasts that spike blood sugar and lead to mid-morning fatigue, a breakfast centered on quail eggs stabilizes glucose levels and maintains steady energy for hours. The nutrient profile of quail eggs further enhances their suitability for weight control. They contain B vitamins, particularly B2, B6, and B12, that play essential roles in converting food into energy and maintaining metabolic efficiency. These vitamins ensure that the body uses calories effectively rather than storing them as fat. Quail eggs also provide small but valuable amounts of healthy fats, including omega fatty acids, which support hormone balance and improve feelings of fullness after meals. Unlike processed breakfast meats or pastries laden with refined fats and sugars, quail eggs provide clean, digestible energy that fuels activity without encouraging fat storage. Replacing a heavy breakfast such as white bread with butter, fried meats, or sugary cereals with boiled quail eggs can bring noticeable benefits. Such a swap reduces total calorie intake while dramatically improving nutrient density. For instance, 5 boiled quail eggs provide roughly the same protein as 1 chicken egg, but with a broader range of micronutrients, including iron, selenium, and choline. This means the body receives more nourishment in fewer calories, a concept nutritionists call nutrient per calorie efficiency. Over time, these subtle changes accumulate, helping to create a sustainable calorie deficit without the feeling of deprivation that often undermines diets. Additionally, quail eggs are naturally satisfying in texture and flavor, which makes them psychologically rewarding. Weight management is not just a matter of numbers. It also depends on emotional satisfaction and adherence. Foods that are bland, restrictive, or monotonous tend to drive people to overeat later. Quail eggs, with their rich taste and delicate size, encourage mindful eating. Their compact form invites portion control, easy to count, easy to prepare, and less likely to lead to overeating. Boiled or poached quail eggs can be combined with vegetables or whole grains to create a light yet complete meal, one that provides sensory pleasure and long-lasting fullness. Beyond their direct effect on appetite, quail eggs may also indirectly support weight control through hormonal regulation. Their choline content helps the liver metabolize fats efficiently and prevents fat accumulation. Choline also plays a role in producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that influences both muscle activity and mental focus. This dual action can improve physical performance and motivation, two factors that make it easier to sustain an active lifestyle. Moreover, the balance of selenium and zinc in quail eggs supports thyroid function, ensuring that the body's metabolic rate remains stable during calorie restriction. When the thyroid slows down due to poor nutrition, weight loss becomes more difficult. Quail eggs help prevent that slowdown by keeping metabolism steady. Their portability also adds to their practicality for modern life. A few boiled quail eggs can be packed as a quick snack or lunch component, replacing less nutritious options like chips or pastries. Their clean protein and low carbohydrate content make them compatible with a wide range of dietary patterns, including low-carb, high-protein, paleo, and ketogenic diets. Because they are small, portion control is effortless, and they fit easily into a calorie-conscious meal plan. What makes quail eggs particularly valuable is their ability to deliver nourishment without deprivation. Many people attempting to lose weight focus excessively on cutting calories, which often leads to fatigue, hair loss, and nutrient deficiencies. Quail eggs protect against these pitfalls by supplying a concentrated mix of vitamins and minerals even in small servings. Their iron supports oxygen transport, preventing fatigue. Their B vitamins sustain energy metabolism, and their antioxidants protect cells from stress, a common consequence of dieting. This means they not only help manage weight, but also support overall health during the process. In essence, quail eggs redefine what a light meal can be. Instead of simply being low in calories, they are high in nourishment, high in satisfaction, and high in metabolic value. They prove that eating for weight management does not require restriction or sacrifice, just smarter choices. Replacing a heavy breakfast or calorie-dense snack with boiled quail eggs provides a gentle yet powerful tool for long-term balance. Their nutrients nourish the body deeply, their proteins sustain fullness, and their compact calories keep energy intake under control. In a world filled with empty-calorie foods and short-term diet fads, quail eggs stand out as a natural, sustainable way to eat less but live better.